was the former police chief of New London, New Hampshire. And the reason why we've got his face plastered up here is because he will face no charges for abusing his authority to secure nude photographs of a college student he had arrested for underage drinking. This is being reported by the New Hampshire Union leader. Her name is Janelle Westfall, and she was arrested on March 2nd, 2013 by David C. Strand while walking home from a party, and was charged with giving a false name and being in possession of alcohol. Not too big of a deal in a college town, right? Well, 4 days after her arrest, Strand called her to the police station to review her options for this misdemeanor arrest. He then said he would need to escort her to the station basement. He said that he would grab the station's camera to shoot a series of nude photos of me. This is a quote from Janelle. And then he'd hold it over my head for 2 years to be sure I didn't commit another crime, Miss Westfall told the Union Leader newspaper there in New London, New Hampshire. She goes on to state that that's when it really was chilling. He's standing there in uniform. He had his gun strapped on his side. She's stating that Strand allegedly told her that he would deny the incident if she reported it. So instead, she contacted her aunt and uncle, both of whom are police officers. And they told her to write down her story while her father contacted the state police. Of course, the state prosecutors there in New Hampshire called Strand's actions abhorrent behavior and unacceptable behavior for anyone in that type of a position. Well, duh. But they were unable to file criminal charges against him other than a misdemeanor, an abuse of power misdemeanor count. Miss Janelle Westfall, in a statement, also stated, "It just bothers me that it happened and that they couldn't prosecute Strand. It bothers me that it could happen again to someone else," Westfall said. Happen again to someone else. Well, she was successful in her civil suit against the city to the tune of $70,000. And this ex-police chief, Strand of New Hampshire, or excuse me, New London, New Hampshire, has been prohibited from ever serving as a law enforcement officer again. So, break this news.